Welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can create the journal entries in accounting. So just have a look. So here in a ledger, if I go to the add to favorite, so here the 21 records you can see that is already I have added to the favorite. So here there is a long list of the ledger. You can add whatever ledger you want, you can add from here. So for example, let's say car expenses. So I will just add from here. Now how to create the entry? So from the accounting I will go to the journal entry, and here so the expenses we have paid, so you can select payment and the date, then the select. So I will select car expenses, that is for let's say 1000, and how we paid, so it paid by cash or bank. So you can write the 1000 here as well. In the accounting, both the double entry will come, and in both the side the same amount we need to write down. So after that the narration we can write that car expenses paid by cash. Then just save this entry from here, just click to the save. So we have saved this entry. Now if I go to the business summary dashboard, so here it is showing the total expenses. Now let's go and check the report. So from the business summary, account statement, so here I will select the car and just refresh. So here you can see payment is done of car expenses 1000, and if I select the same in cash, so you can see by cash 1000 rupees is 1000 paid. So like this we can manage the accounting part very easy way in Jainam Software. So thank you friends for watching this video. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.